One new feature to Nurture this year is the ability to actually set your classroom up within Nurture itself to tailor the Nurture experience for that specific class group, okay? So, because this is a new feature, every time that you install Nurture to a new team, you're going to have to set these up, okay? But also, if you are returning to an old team that you use Nurture on, and you haven't set these up, well, we are going to ask you to set these up straight away, okay? So you should get a pop-up like this, prompting you to set up your classroom settings. So I'm going to click Let's Go. And all we have to do here is there's a couple of basic questions to answer here, and there's also this the optional one here and this optional about the curriculum. Now I'm going to come back to the curriculum towards the end of this video. It's a really exciting feature that we are releasing quite soon for the 2023-24 year. So the classroom details. So basically I just need to set this up for the classroom. So what subject is it for? This is going to be a history class. Now if the specific subject that this classroom is for is not available, just select other, and do let us know if we're missing your specific subject and we should be able to add it. But in this instance I'm just going to select history. The country is going to be Ireland in this instance, so I'll just show you here. So Ireland. Select the age group of your students. So within Ireland we just show these age ranges. Now depending on the country, if you're in Australia or if you are in the UK, I believe, I think these change. So with Australia, for instance, it's you actually select specific year groups, but because we're using Ireland, I'm just going to select a specific age range. So with Ireland, because it's a Leaving Cert history class, I'm going to go with 15 to 17 year olds. What is the ability of the class group? I am going to go with mixed ability. So all this just lets us know whether they're, you know, for instance, you might have an ordinary level class and a higher level class. You can differentiate them between them here, but I'm just going to go with mixed ability here because let's say this is the only history class in 6th year and they have a mixed ability. The average reading age. Now this is just an optional question, but all this does is it helps the Nurture Assistant or the Nurture AI to return results in in a passage that will help for a specific reading age group. So let's say you may have a group of students that are 15 to 17 years old, but they have a lower reading age. You can adjust this here. But for now, I'm just going to select this as 15 to 17. And again, this is an optional one. The first 4 questions here we do need though for all classrooms before continuing. Okay, the last thing I want to touch on is this curriculum. Now this is a new feature. You may have access to this if you're watching this at a later date, but if you are watching this early in the 2023-24 calendar academic year, this may not yet be available to you, but we are releasing it quite soon. Okay, so all this is you can upload a curriculum document. And what Nurture will do is we'll be able to process that document, and then the Nurture Assistant is going to be able to reference that document and create assessments based off, that are curriculum aligned essentially, okay? So you may not have access to this right now, but if you do, it's very simple and you don't have to use it, but you just upload any curriculum document. So I already have the Leaving Cert history syllabus ready to go here. So this is for the Irish history curriculum. Now I've uploaded it as a PDF. I believe you can also upload it as a Word document and it should be okay. I can always remove it if I want, or I can replace it at a later date. Let's say if your curriculum gets updated, you can always replace it. But I can upload this here. Now I have all my settings set up. Once I am happy, I click on Save Settings. And now they've been saved successfully, and we're now ready straight away to create our first Nurture assessment, which I will cover in the next video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your basic assessment, and I'm also going to show you how you can use AI to help you with that, along with the curriculum boundary that I've just spoke about, if that feature is going to be available to you, okay?